No? Okay, thank you. Before we start our lesson today, please Akram let our Syed. It's okay. You go.
Teman-teman, mari kita berdoa sejenak sebelum memulai pembelajaran kita pada hari ini. Berdoa dimulai. A'udzu billahi minasyaitonir rajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Raditu billahi rabban wa bil islami dinan wa bi Muhammadin nabiyyan wa rasulah. Rabbi zidni ilma warzuqni fahma. Amin.
Thank you, Akram. Okay, before that, I will introduce myself. My name is Laila. I'm an English teacher now, and I hope we can teach together. Okay. Anyone know who is he? Najwa Shihab. That's correct. Who is Najwa Shihab? Artist, okay. Okay, reporter. Anyone? Moderator, as you know. Okay. Can you guessing what kind of the topic that we will discuss today? Before you see these pictures, is confused or not? Or I will give you one clue again. Okay, let's watch this video together. Is there any of you that have watched this video? This is famous. This is very famous. Okay, thank you. How do you feel after watching this video? Is there many kindness that they doing to the children that have need education and that is grandma? Yes?
Yes.
Okay. What we can get after watching this video? What kind of moral value that we can get after watching this video? Anyone know? Apa moral story dari video tersebut? Anyone want answer? It's okay. You can say anything.
Sebenarnya adalah ketika seseorang itu berbuat kebaikan akan menghasilkan kebaikan yang lebih banyak lagi.
Okay, thank you. You can be hero wherever you. Jadi kamu bisa menjadi pahlawan dimanapun. It's not about you have to hero in our world, but you have to make the kindness one by one. Okay. Next. Okay. Today we learn about biographic facts. I wanna ask you, Amber, who are a favorite person right now? Favorite person? Person? Yes.
My parents.
Okay, my parents. Okay, you. Who your bias right now? Bias or idol or your motivator? Motivator is more than that. Okay, more than that. Your bias, maybe you like a people, maybe? Is right now is very famous? Is there any? People you like more? Who? Siapa? Oh, okay. Girl band. Oh, girl band. Do you like the Blackpink? Yes. This is because I like the Blackpink. Okay. Next. Okay. Today, today we learn about biographic text. Is there any of you know about what is biographic text? Anyone know or anyone want to answer? You can say anything that you know about biographic text. Can you answer, please? Yes. Have you been learned about biographic text? Have you been? Kamu sudah pernah mempelajari tentang biographic text belum? Oke, karena what's your thinking that you have about biographic text? Apa yang kamu pikirkan ketika kamu mendengar tentang biographic text? Itu tentang apa?
Tentang menjelaskan tentang seseorang.
Okay, explain a person. Okay, it's important person. Apakah orang itu penting? What do you think? Yes. Okay, it's very important person because the biographic text usually used for motivator, idol, or educator, like important figures atau tokoh-tokoh penting like that. Okay. Can you read this one, please? You see my slide? Can you read this one? Kamu bisa baca nggak? Yeah. Can you read aloud, please? Yes, of course.
Biographic text is a text that contains the story of a character in his life. This text is written by someone so that the character can be
Related.
very
many
people.
Okay. Can you say it together after me? Repeat after me, okay? Biography.
Biography.
One more time.
Biography.
Okay. In English, we not say biography. It is Indonesian, okay? Biography. Okay, that's correct. Biography text is a text that contains story of a character in his life. Jadi biografi teks itu mengandung sebuah story. What is story? Cerita. It's correct. Story of a character in his life. Jadi seseorang yang berperan penting dalam hidupnya. Okay. This text is written by someone so that character can be emulated by many people. Jadi biografi ini ditulis seseorang untuk menggambarkan karakter yang dapat kita tiru. Next is purpose of biography text. Can you read this one? You can please read out.
Purpose of biography text, biographical text aims to tell the life of a person or famous figure of historical figure, starting from their family background, education, and his experience.
Okay, life experience. Okay. Jadi tujuan dari biography text is to tell the life of person. Jadi menceritakan secara kehidupan dari mulai lahir, pendidikan hingga background family dan juga life experience atau pengalamannya. Next. Next is structure of this text. Jadi dalam biografi itu ada 3 bentuk important that we have to know about biography text. First is orientation, second one is important events, and the last one is reorientation. Yang pertama itu bagiannya adalah reorientation. Can you read this one? You, this orientation.
This section includes the introduction of the character and the background of the story, or even that will be told in the next section.
Okay, that's good. Orientation, this section includes the introduction of the character. So you have to emphasize this section is orientation is included introduction of the character. Jadi what is introduction? Perkenalan about the background of the story. Jadi orientation itu berisi perkenalan tentang bagaimana background family, background tentang this figure. Jadi backgroundnya bagaimana tentang seorang tokoh ataupun pahlawan. Next is important events or events. Can you read this one, please? Can you read? Yeah. Yang ini kan bisa dizoom nggak?
Important event or events. In this section, we are talking about a series of events, namely the main events experienced by the character. The section is arranged chronologically in order of time.
Okay. Anyone want to explain this one? Maybe. What is event? What kind of account or content in event? Ada yang tahu isinya event itu apa? Pengalaman. Okay, that's good. Anyone else? Okay. In this section, we are told about the series of event. Jadi pengalaman atau peristiwa apa yang sudah dialami dia selama perjalanan hidupnya. Maybe the main event experienced. Jadi pengalamannya si karakter tadi atau tokohnya tadi. Next is reorientation. Can you read this one, please? Number 3. Let's see. This section contains what will be about the series of listed in for before. The orientation as a crossing in the biography text and being optional. It's optional. reorientation and event. Oke. Jadi bagian ketika reorientation ini ketika kamu tidak menemukannya dalam sebuah, it's okay. But the important part is orientation and event. Okay, reorientation is containing comments or concluding statement about the series of events. Jadi, reorientation ini berisi tentang komentar atau concluding statement atau kalimat kesimpulan dari seluruh bagian orientasi dan eventnya. Usually, this part focus like what we get of this character atau apa karakter yang bisa kita ambil dari sebuah tokoh yang kita pelajari, something like that. Next one. Okay, language structure of biographic text atau dalam bahasa Indonesia kaidah pembahasaan apa yang dimuat in this text atau biographic text here. First is the person singular pronouns such as he, she, or her. Point B is pointed pronouns are used replacing that have been said before. Pointed pronouns are characters following words this, that. And third is time makers in the form of conjunctions such as since and when. Preposition that show time information such as at, on, it. And the last one is time makers in the form of nouns such as letter. Jadi ini ada preposisi atau key dan something like that in English of course. Next one. Okay, I give you example of biographic text, and I want one of you to read aloud biographic text of Maria Yuda. Okay. Who first want to read this first part? Or we can urut saja ya. Dari namanya siapa? Okay, Amanda. First paragraph, please. Can you stand up, please? Okay, thank you.
Ayunda Faizalia, or commonly known as Maudi Ayunda, was born on 19 December 1994 in Jakarta, Indonesia. Maudi Ayunda is the best child of Judith Jasmine and Maureen Njoba. Maudi Ayunda has a younger sister named Amanda Hayunisa, who is 3 years younger.
Okay, thank you. Next, you can continue. Let's start that. Okay. Yes, can you stand up, please? Thank you.
Maudi Ayunda children. As a child, Maudi tend to be quiet and
Quiet. Be quiet
and
shy. Okay.
She is hungry and often spends time reading books, which she has done since she was 3 years old. Her love for books led her to write her first book titled A Forest of Fables. At the age of 10, she joined the process toward the tsunami victims in Aceh. Besides books, Maudi also enjoys various activities such as writing, singing, swimming, playing piano, and guitar. One of her favorite hobbies is studying, which she loves to do is very excited when she is got to fight an exam. Her mom also said the Maudi was always at the top of her class and won various awards at school.
Okay, thank you.
Maudy Ayunda, first debut in the country's entertainment world, began with starring in the film Entrepreneur in 2005. So, her role Maudy even received the 2006 Jakarta Film Festival Selected Lead Actress Award at the age of 11. Of 11. After her debut on the big screen, Maudy took a break to focus on her education at the time. After 4 years, Maudy returned to star in the film Little Sapimpi, which is a sequel to the film Astar. Since then, Maudy has continued to show her skill in acting in popular films such as Perahu Kertas, Eternity, The Nekat Traveler, Habibi and I Know Tree, and so on. Not only acting, Maudy debuted as a singer by releasing her first album in 2009.
Okay, thank you. Next, you can read until junior high school. Yes. Yes. Before junior high school. Yes.
Only idea education. From kindergarten to grade 2, Maudy attended other school with the national curriculum. But after that, Maudy moved to Mentari in
The cultural
school, which has a national first curriculum. Her mother revealed that her disappointment with the memorization learning system was the reason for moving only to the school, which at that time only had 2 packets. Initially, only had difficult following the lessons because he was used to Indonesian and Japanese and was not yet fluent in English. However, she took it as a challenge to learn a new language and catch up. Maudy attended to school until junior high school.
Thank you. Next, you can.
Then, Maudy moved to the British school Jakarta during high school. Maudy was even able to pay school fees with her own savings earned from her modeling career and brand ambassador for several brands. In addition to her academic achievements, she is active in various school activities and organizations. She was once the head of her school's student council. After graduating from high school, Maudy decided to continue her studies abroad. Thank you, Miss.
Next.
She applied and was accepted to some of the best universities in the world, such as Oxford University in the UK and Columbia University in the US. She finally chose Oxford University, UK, with a major in philosophy, politics, economics, or PPE. 3 years after her graduation, Maudy decided to continue her studies to master level with the LGBT scholarship. She was accepted at 2 of the world's best universities, Stanford University and Harvard University. She expressed her confusion in choosing and finally chose Stanford by taking 2 measures. He took the Joint Degree Program or GEP, which is a combination of two postgraduate degrees that students can take simultaneously. She chose the major in business administration and education as an additional major at the end of the first semester. Amazingly, Maudi Ayunda only took 2 years to complete her master's degree. Now there are three degrees that complement her name to Ayunda Fazamaudia, BAMA,
Okay, next.
Living independently in a foreign country, studying abroad means living out of her comfort zone. Her life as a student in Oxford is a far cry from the comforts of Jakarta. In addition to doing her obligations as a student, she also had to learn to support herself in a new environment with new faces. All her struggles and hard work finally paid off with a
Bachelor.
bachelor's, bachelor's
Degree.
degree that she obtained in just
About 3 years.
about 3 years.
Okay, thank you. In 2019, she took the same path, came to continue master's studies at the Stanford University in the United States. She admitted that she was still afraid of living alone in a new place with unfamiliar customs and culture. A few months after she arrived in America, the pandemic hit and required her trips to be online. She expressed her concern during online, claiming that she often experienced limitation and dizziness from studying at the screen for control. Okay. This is example of biography from Morgan University. Okay. In the first paragraph, what your information can. First paragraph. Who is known as a complete name of Morgan? What name? Complete name.
Ayunda Fazamaudia.
Ayunda. Okay. She was born on. Okay. In Jakarta. And who is name of younger sister? Okay. Next is first book that write by Morgan. Forest of Pebbles. And the next is what's the first film from America? Untuk Rena. Okay. Next is she applied and she was accepted of the best university in the world. What's the name of the university? Okay. Next is what kind of complete name of Ayunda after he get their degree?
Ayunda Fazamaudia, BAMA.
Okay, thank you. Okay, you after you know or I give example of the biography of Mayuri and Ida. Next, I will want you doing the task on your service. Please make a group of three, write a biography text about one of the motivators or educational figures. So I want you make a group of three. Jadi saya ingin kalian membuat satu kelompok berisi 3 orang untuk menulis sebuah biography text. next week I want you to present your result of the discussion with your group. You understand what I mean?
Yes.
Next time, next meeting, aku ingin kalian mempresentasikan tentang hasil diskusi tentang biografi yang kalian pilih. Okay, before I closing my lesson, I wanna reflection or review about this material today. Okay, today we learned about
Biography text.
Correct. What's the structure tonight of biography text? There's three.
Orientation.
Orientation. Second one is
Event.
events.
Events.
Repeat after me. Events.
Events.
Okay. The last one is
Reorientation.
okay. Where is between this part is optional.
Reorientation.
Okay, orientation is good. Okay, I think it's all for me. I hope you understand what we discussed today. Thank you for your attention and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.